Hi, my name is Rasmus. I'm from Denmark.
My name is Bret. I don't know if you can see, I'm just a little bit taller than Rasmus.
So we're here to answer all your questions about plastic surgery. I'm from Denmark. I do acting in TV dramas, movies, commercials here in Seoul. I did rhinoplasty, turbinoplasty, and septoplasty at the GNG, and I was really happy with it.
I got a rhinoplasty, osteotomy, septoplasty, and turbinoplasty. Basically, they moved my nose a little that way, and then they made it all better inside in great ways.
Cool.
How prevalent is plastic surgery in Korea?
In South Korea, I got it done. I think it's pretty common.
It's pretty common, you know, a lot of Korean people do it. Some foreigners do it, you know, especially the very handsome ones.
Yeah, especially the very handsome ones or the shorter people. They get it done too. No, I think it's nice to get it done here because they have a lot of experienced professionals who know what they're doing. The price is good. The country is comfortable to be in as well. It's quite modern, and it's a good combination.
Doctors are really good here. They do a lot of plastic surgery here. So I'd definitely do it here if I had to pick anywhere in the world.
Does plastic surgery involve plastic?
Does plastic surgery involve plastic? It's a good question, actually. Usually it involves some cartilage from your rib, and but it depends on what kind of plastic surgery it is.
I think they put cartilage in, right? Or sometimes they use a little spacer or something, but
Exactly.
obviously that's quite safe. So
But it depends on what kind of surgery you do.
that's true, yeah. If you've got an extra arm or something added,
Coming out.
that would be different. 3D printed probably. Yeah. It's not something we currently offer, but who knows?
Maybe in the future.
It's true.
Does plastic surgery leave scars?
Oh boy.
It depends, again. You know, if you do cartilage from your rib, you'll have a tiny scar, but it's gonna go away after like 6 months, maybe a year. And yeah.
Eat your Wheaties, go for walks. It's just gonna take care of it.
Totally.
Yeah.
Can plastic surgery make you look hot?
Can plastic surgery make you look hot? I don't know. I have more mirrors in my house now. Yeah, everywhere.
I mean, it can make you look sweaty, actually, because your nose gets a little bit sweaty, so that's kind of hot. But
I think it just helps a little bit, right? Like that's all we need in life is
just a little bit of hotness.
Are nose jobs worth it?
worth their weight in gold for sure. I think safe. It's fast. It's crazy cheap. Right? Yeah. Win. All categories there.
Yeah. I mean, it also depends. So you're gonna do functional surgery or just change the way you look. For functional surgery, it's definitely worth it because you're gonna breathe better. You're gonna have so much more energy. So on that point, it's definitely worth it.
I think more people should consider the breathing part just because it is life-changing.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, every part of my life is improved a little bit from the breathing aspect.
Is plastic surgery safe?
Is plastic surgery safe? I think it is, yeah, definitely. I mean, there's a lot of anxiety, you know, you might be nervous before your plastic surgery, but going to a place like GNG has been totally safe for me, and I felt very comfortable from the moment I went there and to the moment I left.
Yeah, they were nice. They gave me like food and a bed and yeah, totally felt safe.
What did your friends think about your plastic surgery?
You told your friends?
I told some of my friends, yeah, actually. I was quite surprised actually because before I did my plastic surgery, I thought, you know, it might be kind of an odd thing to do. But once I started going into it, and I realized it's pretty common actually. And most of my friends, they thought the same.
Including some of our friends said, oh, I got it done too. And we were like, oh, really?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh, okay. I think that the moral of the story, a lot of people get it done. But a lot of people do it because they want to make usually small improvements. It's not what people think it is. It's not like I'm gonna look like Cinderella afterwards.
No,
it's maybe a later
I mean,
operation.
you look a little bit like Cinderella.
Yeah.
How long was your recovery time?
It was
I think
it was
it's
really fast for me. 2
Quite
weeks.
fast, yeah.
1 week I was on a sailboat. I know, doctor said I shouldn't have been there, but I felt really good. And honestly, that whole weekend, I was already feeling 100% better. I just had a little bit of bruising. By the second week, yeah, it was already getting harder to notice that I had surgery. Third week, my mom had a hard time to even notice that I got surgery done.
Mine was about 4 weeks, I guess. That's when the last kind of bruising went away, and
Shorter people have longer recovery times.
But actually, there wasn't a lot of swelling in my case. Maybe because I have a really big head, and you don't swell that much. So,
Can you tell he got plastic surgery?
can I tell that Bret got plastic surgery? Actually, yeah. But I think your nose is a lot more straight now. Like you had a lot of correction done. Because Bret's nose was actually broken before.
When I was a kid, twice actually, and the main reason I decided to get the surgery is one side was like completely blocked off. And I guess I didn't know that until they gave me the consultation. And I was like, oh, well, that's why I have so many issues. But in all of my pictures, you can see that my nose is off to the side. And now that it's in the middle, I have two good sides.
Will my nose melt if it's too hot outside?
Absolutely.
Would you ever do a different procedure?
Good question, actually.
A butt lift might help.
It might help you, actually. You might get a little bit taller, actually.
That's true. That's true. Yeah.
But no, I don't think I would, actually. I'm pretty comfortable with what I had done at GNG. So I think that's good for me.
Where did you get that done?
GNG.
Oh wow, GNG. That's the same place that I got it done.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
I know. It's amazing. I'm just this guy.
What do you look for in a doctor?
Ooh, God. I mean, height.
Tall, handsome.
Yeah, right. Somebody that looks just like me. To be serious, like when you look around, you kind of get a feeling for who's going to be like a good doctor. And when I went to GNG, it is kind of apparent right away. This guy actually knows what he's doing. And it's a relief. I guess that's how you know, because you feel relieved. You're like, oh, I don't have to worry as much.
And one really good thing about GNG was that they didn't pressure me to do anything more than I really wanted. I asked the doctor if there was anything else that he would do, and he was like, it's up to you. And he had a few tips for me, but he didn't pressure me at any point, and I really liked that.
Will plastic surgery make me more dateable?
The internet has served up a wing-dinger. Yeah, I suppose.
I guess
Why
so.
not? Why not? I think you feel better.
Feel more confident, definitely, but if you're more dateable, depends on your personality also.
Where is the best place to get plastic surgery in Seoul?
This is gonna be a tough question to answer. I mean, obviously I'm gonna say GNG, but you know.
Well, I went to a couple of different clinics before GNG, and I wasn't really too comfortable there. I had a bad feeling. But once I went to GNG, I mean, it's a huge place, and it's very professional. The doctors are super, super nice, and it just seemed like the right place for me. So for me, it's GNG, definitely.
Yeah, same for me. The other doctors I went to, nothing against them, but yeah, GNG just was a better fit. So, and yeah, I know another person that went there, and yeah, he looks okay. He looks fine. He's shorter than me, but he looks fine.